Hi guys, this is Annie Maria. Today we are live on the threading licensing. So how to get the license if you are from other country. Um, for example, if you came from India, Pakistan or any other country like from Asia or even from Middle East or from Europe, even some of the Spanish countries, like I have been hearing from some Spanish people that they wanted to transfer and they have been practicing in their country. Even some of the Indians, they say all the time that they have from India and they used to own their own salons there, and they don't know how to transfer the license, how to convert from India to here. So the countries like India, Pakistan or Nepal or all the Asian countries, they don't have licensing in our country. Europe has it, and some of the Spanish countries has the license in their countries to practice skincare or the hair. Salon massages or facials, we don't have licensing in our country, but we can practice with the certification or even the municipal permit. So the problem is here they say, okay, if you have license in another country, you're able to practice. You're able to transfer, but we don't have. In that case, what we do is, you can always transfer, but we have to prove that we can do our services with the certification, even without the license. So if we can prove that, we should be able to practice, we should be able to actually transfer the license. First, you need to transfer, means send all the transcripts to the state which you are supposed to practice in the US, from whichever the country you are practicing. Then the secondary, once you submit all the papers, some of the states require even the, from the police inquiry, like, your background check. And some of the states, they need 5 years of experience or 2 years of experience. And some states, they need from the good conduct letters from your employer, previous employer. And also you need to keep an affidavit that we don't have licensing in our country and we have only certification. With the certification, we can practice. So once you provide all these, even if you have, if you paid even any taxes in your country while you're practicing, when you're doing working, so even those documents would be useful. Even in the passport, it says like aesthetician or skincare, professional. Even those are all the documents we can produce when we apply for the licensing. So often when they for to transfer, generally I do assist and guide how to do according to your state. So often when the people call me, I suggest them to go ahead, suggest them first to give me all the information, their information. So what I need, you have to be 12th grade certified, passed. Secondary thing is you should have social security. Even some people have the tax ID should be fine too. So if you have these two, then we should be able to apply if you have previously educated in your country. So you should be educated, and also you should be certified in your country, or if you have licensing in your country, you should be licensed, you should have the license. So any one of these, or even when you say you owned your own location, even if you have any municipal permits, any of the documents you can get from your country, all those would help you to get the license here. So I generally ask more questions. Do you have this, that? So finally I come up with some of the paperwork according to their state. Then I would gather all that and then we apply. So once we apply to the state, then they sometimes they'll ask more papers we need to provide. Most oftenly we get the license on the same day or the same week, because nowadays everything is online. So online approvals. So it's very, very quick, not like before. Before it used to take manually, it used to take 6 to get approved. So now it's like quick and easy comparatively before. So if you have any questions, I can always, help you out in answering. So let me know, guys. You can actually text on this so that I can see and answer you. Often, sometimes I see the people are not past 12th grade, so those people, they can do the education online in the US. So once they study, it will generally take 6 months for them to get the degree. So once they get that, then we can apply again. And tax ID, social security, even if you have work permit, citizenship, all these things, you will be eligible to get the license in the US. So this licensing is little complicated because every state has its own rules. That's where it is very difficult. When they call me and say Chicago, I have to go call them back next day by looking all the rules in Chicago, what exactly we needed. And then I call them back and say, okay, these are the things you need as a paperwork. Can you provide? And then they call their school and then ask them, and then they get back to me, yes, we can provide, when we can start the paperwork. Then I say, okay, we can start, I can give you all the papers, what you needed to get. So we will immediately start. Generally, it takes a week for me to prepare for that state, what they exactly require, and then send them as a sample. And then they get from their country, because in India, they give, I'm from India, from South India. So in India, they give certification with the days, like she did from March 10th to until December 10th. That's how they give. But in America, those hours would not be, those days would not be valid. That means how many days means how many hours you did, what all you did, on what subjects you did. So detailed description on the subjects, hours, and also practicals and the theory. That's the reason they call me, and then I generally guide them how to submit with all those details. So once you have all those details, then you're all good to go. You can submit. Then they would approve. So sometimes you need notary and all the curriculum on the letterheads, and also you need a diploma and also from the colleagues. Sometimes some states they require letters from the colleagues, letters clients whom you worked in, so they want it from your employer too. Or if you're the owner, self-employed, then they need more from the co-colleagues, and also from the where you rented the space. All those details they need. So if you guys call me, generally I can advise you where to go, how to do it in a right way for your state, instead of going back to school again. When you go to the school, often they will ask you to do whole cosmetology. Don't do, guys, whole cosmetology. You don't need to do threading and facials. You don't waxing. You don't need cosmetology. Cosmetology is more about the hair. So they have very tiny subject on the skincare, and they have pedicure, manicure, skincare, and the hair. So they have mostly about the hair. 600 hours goes to hair, remaining 300-400 goes to nails and the skin. So to practice in the skincare fully, please go as an esthetician course. So do the esthetician course, do not do the cosmetology course, because it becomes very difficult to pass the exam too. And first of all, you don't need to go to any school or do the course. If you already did in your country, you can get the license. Even massage therapy, skincare, means esthetician, and also cosmetology licenses you can get without going to school. So and also to do eyelash extensions, again you need esthetician course, which is skincare. If anyone required any help, so if you needed cosmetology, if you're doing eyelash extensions, definitely do the you do need to do the course, skincare course, esthetician course. You can just go and do eyelash extensions. If you want to become hairstylist, there is another course. It's only 250 hours to do the hairstyling, makeup and hairstyle. You don't need to do the whole course. So, you know, there, if you are specifically doing anything, just let me know. You might not need to go to any course, or even you don't might need to transfer the things, but sometimes to do some services, yes, you do need to practice. And I do teach, guys, I do teach how to do perfect eyebrow threading without pain, and also perfect waxing and organic facials without any chemicals, how you can mix your own and do the facial naturally. That has right now high demand, because organic facial, because nowadays everyone is afraid of chemicals with the cancer and all these immunity, you know, they lose. So organic facials I teach, Indian facials I teach, with all natural stuff. They can eat mostly with these facials. I also teach tattoos, microblading, eyeliner tattoo, and also lip. They're very easy. I have the new technology called nano and shading on the eyebrows, which is cutting the eyebrows. It's very, very simple and easy. And I get you the license, and I'll give you the certification to practice, and I'll give you the machine. Everything is taught for you to do with the machine or just the microblading. And also I teach you how to remove the old tattoos too, how to, you know, the old tattoos, not remove. And also I teach lots of other stuff, like whatever I practice, even facelifts, I teach. I generally charge, you know, $400 to $500 per hour on my work. So all those stuff I do teach. If you want to learn ear candling, whatever in my menu, I teach all those. So my website address I'm going to post underneath, so you guys can go and check in my website, and you can text me what all you want to learn. So I could actually put together for you with the pricing, with the machines. Then you can decide what you want to learn and what you want to go from there. Generally I ask you guys to do high you know, money producing ones, like an hour making more money versus just doing the threading. But threading helps you to get more clients to do the tattoos and those kind of stuff. So for microblading you can charge up to $500, and these eyebrow clients, you can convert them. Even if you do 2 microbladings versus 100 eyebrows, you get a lot more than that, and you need 3 hours to do 2 microbladings. Okay, so guys, like I did put my website, so just check that website and let me know what you guys want to learn or what you guys want to do. Even I'll help you to open a location, eyebrow or a day spa or a salon, whatever you want. I'll help you, guide you what licenses you need, what kind of furniture you need to buy, and how to set up, and how to hire an employees. Because you get a list of licensed people too from the board, so you can get that and email all of them to hire someone. Even Craigslist is one of the ways. So I do a lot more things, how to hire people, and you know, even the forms what they need to fill so that they don't take your clients and all that stuff. So I have all those, so I can help you. It's not a franchise. I'll just help you and charge you according to work. Okay guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. Gopi Krishna, just hi ma'am. So just let me know guys, if you have any questions, I can always answer you guys. Just type me questions if you have any questions. Anything, even to do the henna tattoos, of course you need skincare license. To do makeups, you need skincare license. To do the hairstyles for the weddings, you just need a styling license, not the whole cosmetology. But when you go to the schools, they guide you wrong because they wanted the whole money on the cosmetology. Okay, so just be careful what you do, how you do. And even if you're not able to pass the exam, if you already went to the school, that also I can help you and guide you how to do. There are some question answer cards. You can just read through them and see through them, and you will know when you see the question, you know the answer. It's the easiest way to pass the exam. Okay, anything else? I think I did told all of it. So if you want anything, even if your colleagues are suffering, not having license, they're working, if you know anybody as such, please let me know, okay? So I can help them. Okay guys, bye. Happy Sunday and happy long weekend. Enjoy with the family and be safe.